Let's ponder our hearts to the science of the shape of the earth. What do you think the shape of the earth is like? Round? Is this spherical? Or is it flat? What do you think the shape of the earth is like? SubhanAllah. You know, in the earlier times, people believed that the shape of the earth was flat. Not until Sir Francis Drake, being the first person to sail around the earth and proved that the earth was spherical. That was in 1577. Let's ponder our hearts to the corollary fact or to this equatable science in the Holy Quran. That is in Quran chapter 31 verse 29. Allah talks about this in a very beautiful way. He says that Alam tara anna Allah yuliju al-layla fi an-nahari wa yuliju an-nahara fi al-layl. Subhanallah. Seest thou not that Allah merges night into day and He merges day into night? I'm sure you and I you are there waiting for how the word is trying to come together. I talked about the shape of the earth. How is this verse similar to that? Alam tara anna Allah yuliju layla, talking about merging. Now let's capture that English text of the word merging. Now when we talk of the word merging, the English word merging, yani, that means the night slowly camouflages into day and vis-a-vis, of course, subhanallah. Now, this phenomenon only happens, of course, when a shape of an object is spherical, subhanallah. The shape of that object has to be spherical for the slowly overlapping to happen, for the slowly turning to happen, for the slowly or gradual camouflage to happen, subhanallah. Now, if the earth was, let us say the earth was flat, as some of us have been thinking, or you are right now thinking that perhaps the shape of the earth is flat, because I'm seeing down, the earth is flat, right? Now, let us imagine that the earth is flat like this. You know, if the earth was flat, subhanallah, there would be a sudden change of day to night. A sudden, you get the point? A sudden change. Just imagine, like right now, as it is 1 p.m., a sudden change to night, subhanallah. You know, it won't be having, life won't be normal, activities won't be normal. That will lead to disruption of the activities and the earth and everything, that will be something quite different. That's a different topic to talk of. But it being spherical allows a gradual roll, allows a gradual camouflage, allows a gradual turn slowly, subhanallah. That is the beauty of how the spherical shape is. Now, Allah talks about as well about this in Quran chapter 39 verse 5 and says, let's listen. خلق السماوات والأرض بالحق يكور الليل على النهار ويكور النهار على الليل. We're still talking about this, slowly or gradual camouflage. Now let's talk about the word yukawiru layla. When we talk of the word yukawiru layla, let's take that word kuwira. But let me translate the word. خلق السماوات والأرض بالحق. He created the heavens and the earth in true proportions. يكور الليل على النهار ويكور النهار على الليل. He makes the night overlap the day and the day overlaps the night. Subhanallah. The Arabic word kuwira, yani, that is like turning a turban around in the head. For a smooth turn of a turban and for the turban to coil. Okay, in a simple word, the word kuwira, it is to coil or to turn around. An example can be like coiling a turban in someone's head or in my head. Now, that is possible if the shape of that object is spherical. Now, Let's just look at my head. What is the shape of my head? Don't abuse me. La ilaha. What is the shape of my head? Had it been that my head is circular, subhanallah, let's just imagine rolling a turban on a ball. It won't fit, something, you get the point? But look at my head, so beautiful, mashallah, alhamdulillah. Now if you get the point, if a turban is coiled, that process of coiling, it is what is called kuwira. Kuwira, to coil around. You get the point? To coil around. That is the beauty of the spherical shape. An example is just this, my head here, mashallah. Now, in a nutshell, we're concluding that the shape of the earth is spherical. We call it geospherical. Geospherical, yani, in another language, we describe it as the shape of the egg of an ostrich. Have you ever seen the egg of an ostrich? The egg of an ostrich is described in terms of its shape as geospherical. Let's look at what this Quran chapter 79 verse 30 is telling us. He says that وَالْأَرْضَ بَعْدَ ذَلِكَ دَحَاهَا. When we talk of the word dahaha, forget about that. Now, when we talk of the word dahaha, that is expansion. That is to expand. That is having the ability to, you get the point? To widen. Now the وَالْأَرْضَ بَعْدَ ذَلِكَ دَحَاهَا. Allah talks about this and says that. And the earth, moreover, hath extended to a wide expanse or expanse. Which means the word dahaha, the Arabic word dahaha, it is like an ostrich egg. You get the point? An ostrich egg. Geospherical, shaped. That is the word. وَالْأَرْضَ بَعْدَ ذَلِكَ دَحَاهَا. Now we're looking at the shape of the earth as our topic. Now, one word from this verse we're picking is the word dahaha. Dahaha, it is an explanation that talks about the shape of an ostrich, which is geospherical, subhanallah.